Hello everyone, this is Edwin once again. Let us unbox this HomeCraft. It's a trademark rice cooker and food steamer. 16 capacity. Cooks any type of rice. Wow, any type of rice. Grain, soup, pasta, oatmeal, and steamed veggie. Simple touch. Cooking and keep warms indicator lights. So let us unbox this product. Okay, remember HomeCraft. How much is this? Let's see. Wow, $20. So let's do this. Let's do this. Simple. Okay. Oop. Ang hirap mag-vlog kapag hawak mo isang yan. Wow, brand new. Okay. 16 cup capacity. So this is the cover. Aha, measurement cup. Wow. Let's see here. Okay. The manual. Don't forget the manual. Okay. And this is the product. Oop, no more. It is. Alright. Wow. Black. Okay. Caution! Let's see here. Caution. Reduce electric. So let's see. So this is the measurement. Okay, cups. 8 cups. Alright. So that's it. Yes. Oop, this is the measurement. So guys, this is the finished product. Thanks for watching. Bye. So guys, this is the product, HomeCraft trademark, with the light indicators, cook or warm, and comes with this measuring cup and scoop. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.